TikTok is not for little kids or funny videos or for random cute cat videos you see online. Did you know you can use TikTok as a business to make $100 or even $200 or even $300 per day online? Well, welcome to my channel. My name is Darius Mckinney, and what we're going to talk about is how to start affiliate marketing on TikTok. In this video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on how to start this method online. I will be showing you examples how to start affiliate marketing on TikTok, and you can even do this with showing your face, or you can do this without even showing your face on TikTok as well. And also, I'm going to give you some ideas how you can start this affiliate marketing business on TikTok to make some money online. And if you say towards the end of this video, I'm going to give you a free bonus gift for you to use and start your affiliate market journey online. And let's get started right now. So the step-by-step guide goes like this. So step number one, what you want to do is you want to pick a niche. So what a niche is basically like a category or you have a passion about, such as like maybe like wealth, maybe like fitness, or maybe like you have a passion about dogs or cats, or maybe you have a passion about like woodworker. Any type of topic that you have a passion for, you can make money online on TikTok with affiliate marketing. So, for example, I'm going to show you 3 different examples and 3 different niches online. So the first one is health, which is like maybe like make money online, such as like this page right here. And this is my personal page I have on TikTok, which I'm helping people make money online. So some type of videos I'm giving are basically like this. Maybe 4 companies that will pay you maybe a certain amount a month each and every single time, or maybe like I'm giving like different examples how to make money online with like without experience, or like do certain things, or how much does it start to start your own business. So I'm giving examples and different websites and different methods to be able to make money online. So the second niche I want to show you is a niche called weight loss. So for weight loss, basically what you basically be doing is showing like on your journey, maybe like you losing weight, or maybe like how you maybe like gaining muscles in certain type of areas of your body, such as like your arms, maybe like your butt, maybe like your stomach, or anywhere else you can think of. Maybe you can show that on here to start making money online. And you don't even have to even show your face. What you can do is maybe like have other people videos of them working out, just like this one. This page right here is showing different types of females working out on TikTok for a weight loss journey. And you can also give different tips on how to like how to lose weight, or how to like lift a certain amount of weight, or maybe how to do like a butt workout of this woman right here, or how to like lift certain like dumbbells, or how to lift kettlebells, or anything like that. So you can give examples, different tips and tricks to show people on the weight loss journey to do affiliate marketing as well on this page. And the last niche I want to show you for TikTok to start on affiliate marketing is an industry called like dog training. So for dog training, what you can do is maybe give a simple different dog tips for people to learn how to train their dogs well, so they won't be acting well. And also what you can do for dog training is maybe you can have silly funny videos just like this one right here, or any one of these ones you see, and you can simply maybe create some memes about dog training or stuff like that, and you can simply post in here and get traffic to your offer so you can start making money online. So this is something you can do as well to be able to make money with affiliate marketing. And I'm gonna show you how you can set this all up, so make sure you just keep watching. And by the way, if you're finding value out of this video so far, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel, because I'm going to also show you more ways how you can start making money online with affiliate marketing, different techniques and different tricks, just like this one in this video. So once you have picked your niche, now it's time to move to step number 2. With step number 2 is that you need to pick an offer for your niche. So for this example, I'm just going to choose this affiliate network, which is ClickBank. And to simply get started, you simply can go right here to sign up and create your free account. And once you do that, you're going to log into your back office just like this, where you have different things such as like knowledge-based, partner offers, marketplace, blogs, and so much more. To simply find offers to promote, what you want to do is you want to go right here to marketplace. And for marketplace, what you can do is you can type in search bar right here, find products, or you can go to the side of the screen right here where it says category, and this is where you're going to find your niche on different type of offers you can promote in your niche to be able to make money. So for this example, I'm just going to choose e-business and e-marketing for like health, and I'm just going to pick that. And as you see right here, they have more categories you can choose from, such as like affiliate marketing, article marketing, banners. For this purpose, I'm just going to choose affiliate marketing, since it's affiliate marketing on TikTok. And from here, what I would do is search by results, just like this right here, and I can sort by results by rank. I can search results by average conversion, and this is conversion, recurring bill, or gravity. What I like to do is search by gravity, because it's going to show me the offer that's very high converting. Choose this offer right here, the 12-minute affiliate system, high offer. And I see right here, on average, is converting $224 on average to make money online. So this is a pretty good offer you can use to promote and to make money online this. So to simply get started, what you do is go right here to promote. And what you would do from here is that they're gonna tell you all the information about the offer you're about to promote, and you can go right here to generate your hot link. And from here, what you would do is simply you copy this link right here, and you can simply copy and paste it right here. And now you have your link. Now once you have the offer, what you're gonna do is create your account based off your niche, just like how I did on my personal page right here. What I can do now is I can create my TikTok and put my offer right here and my link in my bio, and set my bio for optimization, so when we go to step number 3, you'll be ready to go. Now once you have your niche and your offer set up, now it's time to move to step number 3. And step number 3 is that you need to start creating content now for your niche and your offer, so you can be able to make money. Now to simply create content, you may not want to even show your face on TikTok, so I'm gonna show you how to do it without showing your face on TikTok. So for example, what you want to do is you want to go to a website called Pixel, and this platform is the best free stock photos or royalty free videos you can use to start making some money online with affiliate marketing on TikTok. So we have picked the offer in the wealth niche. So what we're going to do is type in the search bar here. We're going to type in wealth, and we're just going to click enter. And once you type in wealth, what you want to do is you want to go to the top of the screen right here, and you want to click right here, videos. So what you can do now is you can use these royalty-free videos on TikTok, so you can use this for your advantage to make some money online with affiliate marketing. So you can use this video right here, a woman that's using money for fanning, or you can use these other videos that showing people like doing business meetings or so on and so forth. So what you can do is that you can simply go to any one of these videos that you like, and maybe you go to this video right here. And once you're on that video, what you want to do is you want to go right here to free download. And what it's going to do for you is it's going to download to your laptop or your phone, whatever device you're using on, and you can use that to your advantage to now upload that exact video on TikTok to start affiliate marketing. And once you have that video going on your TikTok, you can simply edit it on TikTok. Example, maybe like this: make $780 daily doing this, and you can show the example of whatever method you're showing them of how to make money online. And then you can have it on the video that you have, you can have a call to action at the end, say, hey, if you want to make more money online, what you can do is go right here to click the link in my bio, and they're going to take them to the offer that you have picked. So the last step I want to give you on the step-by-step guide is step number 4, which is extra traffic. So what you're going to do is create Instagram Reels and Instagram Shorts. So what you can do is use the same TikTok video that you created and simply post it on Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts to get extra traffic. So all you got to do is simply copy and paste your video and transfer to here to get extra traffic to your offer. And you can do this on YouTube Short as well. As you can see right here, all you gotta do is post a 15 or 30-second video. All you gotta do is simply copy and paste that TikTok video you created and post it on YouTube Short to do the exact same method online to get extra traffic to your offer, so you can make money online. Now, since you stay to the end of this video, I'm gonna give you a free ebook that you can use on your affiliate marketing journey that's gonna help you. In this free ebook, what you'll discover is all the ins and outs how to start affiliate marketing, and the step-by-step guide you need to know to start affiliate marketing as well, from all the way to pick a niche, to all the way to picking an offer, to all the way to converting it and to make money online. So if you want access to, all you gotta do is click the second link in my description. It will be the second link there for you to access. Do you want more content just like this? If so, make sure you check out these 2 videos on screen, because once you check out these 2 videos on screen, I'm also going to show you more ways of how you can start making money online from the comfort of your own home. And it's your boy Darius, and I'm checking out. And always remember, be the boss, don't get boss.